So you want to create a staging site, but you don't know how to do that. And searching on Google, you find the most common ways are using a plugin within WordPress like WP Stage Coach, WP Staging, or to manually create a staging site by taking your backup and restore it on a subdomain. Now all these work great if you have one website, but what if you have a lot of WordPress sites? How does it sound if you could create and manage so many WP sites from a convenient single dashboard? That's where CloudPages come in. If you haven't seen my previous video on how to manage the updates of all of your plugins and themes, then first watch it. Once you have watched that, you know that there's a staging tab in CloudPages. Here you will only require 2 steps. Enter the name and the domain name of the staging site that you want to create. Once the staging site has been created, you can go to the front end of the staging site and to the WP admin dashboard. If I go to the general settings, I can confirm that my staging site has been created. I can then change the URL to HTTPS so that the SSL works. Furthermore, you can go to your DNS management platform to add a CNAME to your subdomain that you created. In my case, I use Quick Cloud, so I'll add the CNAME and I'll also add the CNAME for the www. After your development is done, you can push the changes from the staging site to the live site. But keep in mind that this will completely replace the data on the live site, which means if you have made any changes on the live site that are exclusive, that is, if they are not present on the staging site, then those will be lost. You can manage the updates of the plugins and themes as well as deactivate and delete them right from here. And you can do this for your staging site as well as your live site. This convenience is what really makes CloudPages my go-to tool when it comes to managing a lot of WP sites. I'll leave the link in the description for you to check their 7-day free trial. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to manage your plugins and themes from a single dashboard, then you can watch it here. And I'll see you on the next one I publish.